Hi, my name's Tom, and this is one popular iPhone case. I've seen this thing all over the place. I want to kind of show you what it is. It's really kind of a nice looking case. This is kind of the brown leather. It comes in different colors, but you can kind of see it's got some nice stitching on it. It looks really good. The corners are all solid. I like the fact that it is actually still two-tone on the corners, so that's kind of a black rubber bumper and then kind of a brown leather all up and down the side. This is 3 months old. This has held up remarkably well. It is a very strong, good, solid, good fitting iPhone case. All the buttons work perfectly. I haven't had any problems. I can access the actual port, no problems whatsoever. All the sound is also accessible. It fits the phone. It's nice and thin. It's just a great case, a very functional case. Some of the nice little features about this, you can get to the power button, obviously, right there. It does, on the side, have a little tiny two little holes. If you have a wrist strap, you can actually run your wrist strap cord through that. It doesn't come with anything, but you can do it. Another nice feature, obviously, this is the big one. It's got this ring on the back that you can pull out, and you can set this ring up so that you can watch your phone. You can kind of lay it down kind of horizontally like that, or you can actually go ahead and lay it vertically, and it is very stable. Once you put it on a table, it will stay there. It's nice. It works really well. It's very convenient when you want to go ahead and put the stand back. Just flip it back in, and there you go. The stand is nice and tight. But that's the one drawback, is the stand is nice and tight. If you don't have fingernails, it's going to be kind of hard to pull out. It's a little uncomfortable to get out initially. Once it's out, it's fine. This is just a flat ring. It's kind of sharp, not sharp on the edges, but it's not padded on the edges by any means. I think it'd be nice to have this ring be a little more comfortable and maybe have it come out a little bit easier. The spring is nice and tight. Again, 3 months of use and it hasn't loosened up a bit, which is both good and bad because I still got to put my nail and kind of pull it in there with my finger. But otherwise, yeah, it looks even good. There's even some texture around the ring where the ring sits. It's just a really nice case. It's high quality, surprisingly high quality, I would say. And then you can actually hold it like this if you want. You can hold your phone there. Again, the ring is a little thin, it doesn't quite, it kind of cuts into your fingers a little bit, but that's not the end of the world. It's not the most comfortable thing to kind of hold like that, but you can hold it. You're not going to drop it this way. It is nice and handy. And again, this clicks back in, very, very thin, barely adds any weight or kind of thickness to your phone. So yeah, I really like this. It comes in different colors. I do like this a lot. I just wish the ring was a little easier to pull out, but otherwise, great iPhone case, highly recommended.